Stop eating like a rabbit to lose weight. The truth? You can drop 10 kilograms while eating more of the right foods. Here's exactly how. If you've been told that weight loss means endless salads and growling stomachs, you've been lied to. The science is clear. Sustainable fat loss isn't about starvation. It's about strategy. Today, I'm breaking down the exact system that helps people lose 10 kilograms without feeling hungry or miserable. Section 1. The starvation trap. Here's what happens when you slash your calories too low. Your metabolism slows down. Your body thinks there's a famine and holds onto every calorie. You lose muscle, not just fat. And worst of all? You become obsessed with food, constantly thinking about your next meal. This is why crash diets fail. You might drop weight fast, but you'll gain it all back, plus extra. Your body is designed to survive, not to stay lean on 1,200 calories. Section 2. The volume eating method. The secret is eating high-volume, low-calorie foods. Think about this. 100 grams of broccoli has about 30 calories. 100 grams of chocolate has over 500. Same weight. Massive calorie difference. Fill your plate with vegetables, lean proteins, and fruits. A huge bowl of vegetable stir-fry with chicken can be under 400 calories but keeps you full for hours. Meanwhile, a small burger delivers 800 calories and leaves you hungry 2 hours later. Your stomach doesn't count calories. It responds to volume. Give it the bulk it craves without the calorie overload. Section 3. Protein is your best friend. Protein does 3 incredible things. First, it burns more calories during digestion than carbs or fats. Second, it preserves your muscle while you lose fat. Third, it crushes hunger like nothing else. Aim for at least 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of your body weight. Greek yogurt for breakfast. Chicken or fish for lunch. Lentils or eggs for dinner. Protein shakes if needed. When you're full of protein, those late-night cravings disappear. Section 4. Smart carb timing. You don't need to fear carbs. You need to time them right. Save your carbohydrates for around your workouts or when you're most active. Your body uses them as fuel instead of storing them as fat. Choose complex carbs: oats, sweet potatoes, brown rice, quinoa. These digest slowly and keep your blood sugar stable. No crashes. No sudden hunger pangs. No energy roller coaster. The people who demonize all carbs are missing the point. It's not about elimination. It's about optimization. Section 5. The movement multiplier. You cannot outtrain a bad diet, but movement accelerates everything. Walk 10,000 steps daily. It's simple, free, and burns an extra 300 to 500 calories without feeling like exercise. Add resistance training 3 times per week. Building muscle increases your resting metabolism. You'll burn more calories even while sleeping. And no, you won't get bulky. You'll get lean and defined. Section 6. The real timeline. Losing 10 kilograms safely takes about 10 to 20 weeks. That's losing half a kilogram to 1 kilogram per week. This pace preserves muscle, keeps your metabolism strong, and makes the weight loss permanent. Stop chasing quick fixes. A slow, steady approach means you're losing fat, not water and muscle. When you finish, you'll actually keep the results. Losing 10 kilograms doesn't require starvation, suffering, or superhuman willpower. It requires eating smarter, not less. Fill up on volume. Prioritize protein. Time your carbs. Move your body. And give yourself enough time to do it right. The choice is yours. Crash diet and regain everything, or build sustainable habits that transform your body forever. Start today. Your future self will thank you.